Hello, we have a Sony XM3 headphones with us today. The earpads need to be changed and we will be installing a new headband cover. It is attached with latches, so a pry tool is needed to open up the earpads. There is no left or right of the earpads, but there is an up and down direction. It is easy to attach them. You just have to press it and it gets fitted very easily. You have to check whether all the latches are properly attached. The left and the right attachment process is the same. Then there's the headband cover. There's a chain. The cover is super elastic, so chaining the cover is easy. Checking to see if all is okay. And that's it. Bye bye.